Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Ear Speaker not working on iPhone. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So firstly, launch settings on your mobile device. Now once you are here, simply tap on the option of accessibility right over here. Now once you are here, scroll down below and then tap on the option of hearing devices. Now once you are here, you'll see the option of hearing aid compatibility. Now simply turn on the toggle for this option. So this is one of the steps you can follow to fix your issue. Now just go back to the main settings page again. Now another thing that you can do is make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off. Now just tap on your Bluetooth over here. And now you can see that the toggle over here is turned on. Simply turn off this toggle for Bluetooth. So, in case if your Bluetooth is connected to any other devices, you may get problems related to your iPhone Ear speaker. So now, let me guide you through another step by which you can fix your issue. Just on your settings of your iPhone, tap on accessibility again. Here we go. Now, once you are here, simply tap on touch under physical and motor. Now, once you are here, scroll down below and tap on call audio routing. Now once you are here, you'll see various options. Simply tap on the option of speaker. So these are the steps you can follow to fix your issue. So one additional step that you can follow is make sure that you clean your ear speaker on your iPhone. Sometimes dust particles may get stuck to your iPhone's ear speaker, which may cause unnecessary issues. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to solve your issue in no time. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.